Namaskar friends, my name is Vinod. Thanks for choosing Utkarsh India Limited as your valuable partner in progress. At Utkarsh India Limited, we take utmost care to ensure that you receive the best of manufacturing excellence. Today I am going to show you how high masts are erected and finally installed at client's facility. We have two functions in course of high mast installation: civil foundation and erection. We start foundation drawings by keeping the following parameters in mind. A. Wind speed of the location where the high mast is being installed, and B. The soil bearing capacity of the ground where the installation conducts. The foundation drawing ensures the following factors which are very key indicators for installing a high mast, such as A. Shape of the foundation, which is mostly square. B. The depth of the foundation, as the depth is very important for strengthening the base. C. Conditioning of the soil, where soil testing needs to be performed to check the quality of the soil so that the foundation can obtain the optimum strength and quality. Reinforcement concrete casting usually is done as per the drawings, where all technical details and specifications of the foundation are mentioned. It is a process where we use reinforcement steel bar across the foundation hole in order to make it stronger, and this process increases the holding capacity of any poles in any harsh circumstances. Whenever the cement concrete is ready, we have water filling it for making it more strong and solid. As per standard, water filling must be performed for at least 21 days to build it strong and solid. It is the last process of civil foundation work where we have to backfill the extra dig area and finish the civil foundation work. Assemble of the sections are the first stage of the erection process. Assembly is mainly done for two sections, 13 meters to 20 meters, and three sections, 21 meters to 30 meters masts. We do not need assembly for single section mast up to 12 meters. We use chain pulling block in stress fill joint process, where we match the outer dia of the bottom section with the inner dia of the upper section in the overlapping areas and assemble them properly. Once the assembly of the section completes, we use crane to pull the entire mast and place it to the civil foundation base for completing the installation. Once the installation is completed, we test the power supply and the illumination accordingly. This is how we ensure to provide the best quality high mast installation service to our clients. Operation of high mast. Open the door cover and see that the trailing cable is clamped properly with SS wire rope. Disconnect the plug of the trailing cable and also the safety rope. Put the L stopper in stopper clamps. When the lantern ring comes down near the L stopper, start inching operation and stop it when it is properly docked. Then the luminaries and other maintenance can be done safely. Test the whole circuit by giving temporary supply to the junction box. Follow these points while installing the high mast. Don'ts: never keep the segments on the ground directly. Never unload it by pulling directly from the truck. Avoid the use of wire sealing to handle the segments. Never keep the segments on the metallic sheet, sand, in and near wet areas and water. Never tilt the wooden box. Never throw any items directly to the ground. Do not use L-ring rope for installation purpose. Do's: count the number of items as per the packing list. Always use PVC sealing to handle the segments by the crane. If you're using the forklift, then always wrap the jute bag or thick paper onto the fork to avoid any metal contact, black and GI. The concerned person at the site at the time of unloading should ensure that the site has got the wooden logs and planks. Each layer of poles should be separated by wooden planks to avoid white rust. If the site is remote, no crane, forklift or other lifting devices available, then for polygonal poles use manpower to unload the stack. Suppose there is no manpower, then wooden planks can be placed at larger angle and dropped one by one to hit a rubber tire at the end of the planks and stacked properly. Always ensure that before unloading the next segment, previous one must be removed from that tire.